is a cruel mistress. When the wind finds the right harmonic frequency, the entire deck turns into a chaotic wave.
This bridge is a wing that forgot how to fly.
It's a self-destruct loop that no amount of balls can stop. Geometry versus heat.
It's getting hot here, and your bridge is about to turn into a noodle.
When the bridge becomes a furnace, physics demands more space. Since the supports are locked, the span only has one option: to fold like a piece of paper. Forget flexibility.
In this cold, steel forgets how to bend and learns how to shatter.
We passed the transition temperature, and the lead is now as moody as glass pane, bump from a ship, and it's not a dent, it's a total structural wipeout. Gravity is the ultimate sculptor here.
At this pressure, the atoms in this steel start to flow like very slow honey.
3,000 tons makes the metal forget it was ever solid. We are not sniping beams anymore, we just watching them surrender to the weight. As much as I do, hit that sub button, we're going orbital next. At 7 kilometers per second, the word solid is just a suggestion. This is high energy hydrodynamics. The shockwave travels faster than the rivets can fail. It's a high speed splash, not an impact. Can be a weapon. We're looking at the structural heart attack caused by pure acoustic overpressure. Every single fastener is being shaken out of its seat until the whole grid just give up. The ocean doesn't negotiate. It's a relentless load searching for a single microscopic weakness. Once it's in, 10,000 tons of water do the rest of the work in a heartbeat. Hit that subscribe button for more engineering madness.